Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers. We have the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven and the air fryers. We will evaluate each product side by side in different categories to see which one is worth buying. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. The Instant Vortex Plus offers 6-in-1 functionality that allows you to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. Its temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit lets you cook gourmet meals with ease. On the other hand, the air fryers has low temperature and timer control, but it lacks advanced features like dehydrating and roasting. Winner is Instant Vortex Plus. Both products offer a healthier cooking option, but the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven uses advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for even more spectacular results. It uses rapid air circulation technology and a low-calorie cooking spray to fry food with less added fat, so you can make healthier versions of your favorite deep-fried dishes. Winner is Instant Vortex Plus. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven comes with built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off to prevent accidents. The air fryers does not have the same level of safety features. Winner is Instant Vortex Plus. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven is priced at $129 United States dollars, while the air fryers cost just $2 United States dollars. The Instant Vortex Plus may be more expensive, but it comes with more advanced features and a better cooking experience, making it worth its price. Winner is air fryers. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven's compact design beautifully combines function and style with its stainless steel accents, making it countertop-friendly. The air fryers is also compact with a simple design, but it lacks the stylish appearance of the Instant Vortex Plus. Winner is Instant Vortex Plus. And there you have it, a side-by-side comparison of the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven versus the air fryers. While both products offer a healthier cooking option, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven comes out on top with its advanced features and excellent cooking capabilities. But the air fryers holds its own with its affordable price. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide which air fryer suits your needs and budget. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.